ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयो अस्ति अभ्यासः 45। एकैव निमिषः। पञ्चचत्वारिंशत् प्रत्ययप्रकरणे इदानीं कृते अन्तिम अभ्यासः। अग्रिमाभ्यासात् समासप्रकरणम् आरभ्यते, किन्तु आद्य प्रत्यय। त्रीणि प्रत्ययानि सन्ति अत्र अद्य। अभ्यास 45। सुन्दरजी कृपया पठतु क शब्दानि।
जगत, संसार, वियत, आकाश,
स्पेस,
गति ही, स्पेस,
संसार,
वियत,
वर्ल्ड,
actually don't use word, गति ही, गति, to move,
or state,
also,
state of
state, बुद्धि ही, बुद्धि, धृति ही, धैर्य, courage, कृति ही, कार्य, नति ही, नमस्कार, झुकना, भूति ही, ऐश्वर्य, उक्ति ही, कथन, इष्टि ही, यज्ञ, इच्छित, वृत्ति ही, व्यवहार, आजीविका, प्रवृत्ति ही, झुकाव, लगना, मुक्ति ही, मोक्ष, युक्ति ही, युक्ति, लॉजिक, संस्कृति, संसार,
एकनिमिष। सो एव्रिथिङ्ग् वास् सिम्पल्। सर्वे सुलभानि सन्ति, सुलभशब्दानि एव सन्ति। सर्वे गति, बुद्धि, धृति, कृति, नीति, नति सर्वे इकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दानि सन्ति। They have given, I think, somewhere. They are all इकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्ग। जगत वियत given without. Jagat viyat is napumsakalinga. We know already. Jagat is napumsakalinga. Viyat api napumsakalinga asti. आभाजी कृपया पठतु क अपि च घ किं भविष्यति भविष्यन्ति। नहीं, ख प्रार्थना। ख युद्ध, युद्ध धातु।
युद्ध लड़ना, to fight a war. उद plus डी, उद्दीप means उड़ना, to fly. दीप जलना, दीप्त होना, to burn or to lighten up. क्लिश खित होना,
light up,
to feel sad.
not lighten up, light up.
Light up, light up.
क्लिश
lighten up is for the mood, yeah? Light up is for the diya. Okay. Shakahari, the one who is with the vegetarian.
एक सेकंड, एक निमिष। पचत, पतत, पंडितन मन्य।
Oh, I skipped a line. पचत, पकता हुआ,
पकाता हुआ।
Cooking, process में जो है। और पकाता हुआ, the one who is cooking. पतत, गिरता हुआ, okay, the falling. पंडितमन्यः, अपने को पंडित मानने वाला, the one who thinks of himself as knowledgeable. शाकाहारिन, शाकाहारी, vegetarian. निरामिष भोजिन, again शाकाहारी. मांसाहारिन, मांसाहारी, non-vegetarian person.
So these are all samasa actually already has begun. Shakaharin, Mamsaharin, etc. Samasa prakarane eva samasa shabdani eva, but we will see them next abhyasa. For now we can focus on the pratyaya. Jagat viyat jagat ke tulya. Jagat jagati, we will see now. Yudh se klish yug se tulya. Jagat shabda षड्विंशति 131 अस्तु जगत् डॉक्टर सुमंजय जी कृपया पठतु जगत् तकारान्त नपुंसकलिङ्ग
जगत् जगति जगन्ति जगत् जगति जगन्ति जगता जगत्यां जगद्भिः जगते जगत्यां जगद्भ्यः जगतः जगत्यां जगद्भ्यः जगतः जगतोः जगतां जगति जगतोः जगत्सु हे जगत् हे जगति हे जगन्ति.
Satyam. So this we see often in our Bhashya Tika. Jagat Shabda of course is very common. Ekavachanam is often used. Jagat, Jagata, Jagataha, Jagati. These are all common usages that we know. Yudh Dhatu, Dhatu Sankhya Chatushchatvarimshat, 44. युद्ध
Page 171.
सुंदर जी भवानी व कृपया पठतु लट लोट लंग विधिलिंग 4 वीक
युध्यते युध्येते युध्यन्ते. This feels a bit Atmanipada, don't
it is Atmanepada. It is, you see here, Atmanepadi Yudh Jan Dhatu.
So yudyase, yudyete, yudyadve, yudye, yudyavahe, yudyamahe. Note, yudyatam, yudyetam, yudyatam, yudyasva. We see in Bhagavad Gita so often. Udyetam, udyatvam, yudyai, yudyavahe, yudyamahe. Lamlakar, ayudyat, ayudyetam, ayudyanta, ayudyataha, ayudyetam, ayudyatvam, ayudye, ayudyavahi, ayudyamahi. Vidiling yudyeta, yudyeyatam, yudyeran, yudyetaha, yudyeyatam, yudyetvam, yudyeya, युद्धेवहि युद्धेवहि.
सम्यक्, धन्यवादः, बहु शोभनमस्ति. लृट् लकारे योत्स्यते योत्स्येते योत्स्यन्ते, योत्स्यसे योत्स्यसे योत्स्यध्वे, योत्स्ये योत्स्यावहे योत्स्यामहे. Then lut, ashirling, ring all follow similar ways as before. Yodha, yodharo, ekanamashah. Lakara, Yodha, Yodharo, Yodharaha. And Ashirling, they have given Prathama Rusha, Yutsishta, Yutsiyatam, Yushtiyastham, Yudha, Yutsiyan. That way it will go.
So this Ashirling will be like what? May you fight well, like that, is it? May you win well.
Yeah, the Lakara will be there in all the Dhatus. Prayoga may not be there. But the meaning is there like that, yes.
Yeah, like that.
Ling lakara, ayotsyata, ayotsya. Ashirling generally is for ashirvada vachana, blessings, etc. So we can take in that way. May you fight well. And then lit lakara, varokshe lit. Yudhe, yudhate, yudhire, yudhishe, yudhate, yudhidve, yudhe, yudhivahe, yudhimahe. Maybe we have seen in Brihadaranyaka in the beginning, when or even in other Upanishads, when the Samudra Manthana Prakaranam etc. come, Devascha Asurascha Yuyudhire, in that way, there may be something. We can check in the Upanishads. Lung lakara, ayuddha ayudsatam, ayudsata, ayuddhaha ayudsatham, ayudhvam, ayudsi, ayudsivi, ayudsvahi, ayudsmahi. In that way, 10 lakaras of yudh dhatu, as similar to yudh dhatu, will be the other dhatus given in this, which are all these dhatus. Ud plus ud upasarga purvak d dhatu will become uddi. They say how even in Yoga Darshana we have Udiyana Bandha. Those also will come from here. Uddi and Deep Dhatu, Klish Dhatu, etc. Astu, coming to the Pratyayas. Yes, Prashna.
Just like the words Dhriti, etc., which seem to come from Pratyayas, we have words like Vidhi, etc. also, right? Vidhi, Nidhi. So are they also some Pratyaya which we will study, or as in I don't know whether they are for Pratyayas or not, but
Vidhi, I am not aware. We can check, of course. Dhi Pratyaya, etc. may be there. It will not come in Rachananuvada. If at all it comes, it is Lagu Prakarana.
Oh.
But there must be something, or even for example, when you check in Ashtadhyayi, even if you just check in Shabda Patha, Vidhi, it may not be a Pratyaya also. There is no necessity for these to be a Pratyaya. The difference, of course, is that Vidhi is Pullinga, as they are given here, and Dhriti, Buddhi, and all are Strilinga. What we can take, for example, if we see here, Upadeshe Ajananas Kayit, Sasajusharuhu. There are no Pratyaya Sutras given here. In fact, there are no Pratyaya Sutras given. However, Buddhi Shabda, or some Shabdas today, do you know which one? Today there are no shabdas like that, but like datta shabda, double takarakam. So that is from one sutra. Like that, there may be a sutra for the dhakara, like jashastatordodaha or something. We can check, but I don't know if there is a specific pratyaya for those shabdas. I will check. Vidhi shabda pratyaya. But we will come back to that. That will definitely not be Rachananuvada, even if it is not. Niyama ekashatam traya panchashat. Traya trini panchashat. Traya panchashat. Tripanchashat. Traiha Panchashat or Tripanchashat. Striyang Ktin. Ktin Pratyaya. First Pratyaya of 3. Today we have 3 main Pratyayas. Ktin and Nini. 3 are here. Striyam Ktin. This Pratyaya number is, Sutra number is 3.3.94. So, for Sumanjay ji's question, if it were ending in Ti and if it were Strilinga, you could say it is Triyantin. But it is Vidhi, which is Pullinga, and of course not Tikar. Anyway, क्तिन का ती शेष रहता है. अच्छा, आभाजी कृपया पठतु नियम 100 350.
स्त्रियां तिन धातुओं से तिन प्रत्यय होता है. तिन का ती शेष रहता है. ती प्रत्ययार्थ शब्द स्त्रीलिंग ही होते हैं. इनसे भाववाचक संज्ञा बनती है.
एक निमिष.
जैसे क्रू.
एक निमिष. एवरीवेयर ती प्रत्ययांत शब्द स्त्रीलिंग एंड ती शेष रहेगा एंड इट इज ओनली भाव. भाववाचक संज्ञा बनती है. जैसे, हाँ जैसे
क्रू धातु से कृति ही
हाँ.
यानी करना.
हाँ.
कृति ही, स्तुति ही, स्तुति ही.
एक निमिष. आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन. कृ धातु में तकार कहाँ से आया? You had this question, right? When we were doing कृत्वा और ल्यप और तवा प्रत्यय, you had this question. ये कृत्वा में तकार कहाँ से आया? कस्मिन् सूत्र अस्ति? Tin is for tikara. Ti, kriti in that way. Okay, that tin is correct. Striyang tin. So if I said kr to kritva, how will that work? If by saying kr dhatu se, and you say tva pratyaya, and I say kritva, then takara will come from. You have seen this, right?
तो उसका त्वा शेष रह जाता है.
त्वा शेष रह जाता है, सत्यम. अच्छा, ओके, यू टेक ल्यप प्रत्यय. ओके, प्र उपसर्ग पूर्वक कृ धातु. व्हाट विल बी द फॉर्म? प्र एंड कृ. For lyap. Open question, for anyone.
For Lapicha, that is there, but I don't know whether that will not work for this.
No.
So,
That will not work for takara. So, okay, anyway. So, prakritya, that is the pra and kr. When you get pra upasarga purvak kr dhatu and you put lyap pratyay, you will get prakritya. But lyap pratyay में य ही शेष रहेगा ना. takara, why takara has come? There is a sutra.
That hrasvasya piti.
Correct. Samyak. hrasvasya piti kriti tuk.
hrasvasya piti kriti tuk. Tukagama.
Tukagama. हाँ, your question, that was your question, right, Abhaji, few weeks ago.
Yes.
That
yes.
takara. हाँ, so that same thing. Of course, here it is striyang tin. Kr kritihi. That's all. Finish. But this takara, when
Here
it comes
no
from, no, here there is no necessity for tukagama here because tin pratyaya is there. Ti shesh, kr plus ti, that's all. Finish. There is no tukagama. But there, when we said prakritya, upakritya, etc., that takara came from hrasvasya kriti. Astu. Dhritihi, stutihi, bhutihi. All of these are tin pratyaya rupas. गुण या वृद्धि नहीं होगी. नो गुण नो वृद्धि. कृ विल नॉट बिकम करती. लिक विल नॉट बिकम लेकथी ही. इन दैट वे देयर इज नथिंग. गुण वृद्धि नहीं होगा किंतु संप्रसारण होगा जहाँ होना है. नॉट एवरीवेयर. वेर एवर इट इज रेलेवेंट देयर संप्रसारण विल हो. दिस इज अ हिंट फॉर नेक्स्ट फ्यूचर अपकमिंग क्वेश्चन. ती प्रत्यय लगाकर धातुओं से रूप बनाने के लिए नियम 135 135 से 6 देखें. वी विल सी दीज एग्जाम्पल्स देन वी सी दैट ऑल्सो. सो कृति, हृति, धृति, चिति, भूति ही. इन ऑल ऑफ दिस तिन प्रत्यय स्त्रियांग तिन. बट देन स्थिति ही इज देयर. इन स्थिति ही व्हाट इज अ धातु? Stha. But stha became sthi. How?
Prasarana is the hint.
No, that is a hint for There will be many questions. Samprasara is used for one question.
Okay. Stha becomes Thi.
Stha becomes Thi, Ikara. There is a sutra, Dyatisyati mastha mitikiti. In Da dhatu, Sya, Dyatisyati ma, Stha. In all these dhatus, Ikara will come. Stha becomes Thi. That is why Dyatisyati mastha mitikiti. Astu. Mitihi. Same. Then Gatihi. Gatihi, what is the dhatu?
Gum.
Gam. So Makara lopa happened. How? These sutras, these rules, they are repeat rules. So it is nice to revise. They come in so many pratyas. These Dyati, Sati, etc.
Makara Lopaha, along with that Makara Lopaha is also.
Correct.
Both happen somewhere together now. How does that happen? You have to check.
Anunasika lopa. There is a sutra.
Anunasika Lopa.
Anudatopadesha vanatitamothyadinam anunasika lopo jalingi. Long sutra, but repeat. Gatva में भी यही है. Gam to gatva. Upa plus gam plus lyap. Upagatya, upagamya, upagatya. Both are okay. There also it is working. Some of these places, again and again, they will keep coming. These rules in many pratyas. Same for then matihi, yatihi, ratihi. So you see rati also. Ram is the dhatu. Nati, nam. Same rule. Anudato padesha vanatitamothyadinam anunasika lopo jalingiti. Then we have this uktihi. What is the dhatu?
He will be watch.
Vach. But
Vach dhatu. Yahan pe samprasara.
sutra?
Sutra. So sutra will be that, it's another that long one.
There are two Samprasarana sutras. Vach, when you say Vach, that's
Vaso samprasaranam.
Vachiswapi yajadi nam kriti.
Vachiswapi yajati nankiti. Abhaji, what is the sutra you are quoting? Vaso? What is this?
Vasopo samprasaranam.
This one. Vasuvantasya bhasanjikasya angasya samprasana bhavati. But this is Vishesha Sutra. This is not the Samanya Sutra.
I did search for samprasarana sutras and this came up.
You see here it is all Vidusha, these kinds of words. Techusha in this way. Not Ukta. Ukta is simple Samprasaranam. Vach to Ukt.
It's replacing verb with U.
Ver to U, that's all. Vach to Uk. But Vach mein ver became U, but Cha became Ka. How?
That is the Sandhi Sutra.
Sandhi Sutra.
No. There's this one. Is there also.
Like you say in Pachadhatu also Pakva. That way. Cha to Ka.
Cha to Ka was, it is not Chuhokuhu.
Was, wahi. Chohokuhu.
Chohokuhu.
These are all repeat. These sutras, while they are not strictly speaking Rachananuvada Kaumudi material, they are a little more advanced. But they are all repeat. All of these sutras, nearly every pratyaya you will see these sutras working. So it is nice to know.
So Chohokuhu is just in Buddha. It also happens while it also came up while we were doing something. It's not a Sandhi Sutra, right?
No, not a Sandhi Sutra. Chakara will become Kakara. That. Like Pach.
But it has conditions.
Of course. Yes. It has conditions. Same for this Sukti Ishtihi. Vachi Swapi. In Ishtihi, what is the dhatu? Ishta. Ishti. Ishdhatu is there, but here samprasaranam has to happen. Okay, think this. हाँ. Correct. So what will be the dhatu? Ishti. Ishti. Yaj. Yaj dhatu. Vachi swapi yajadi. Yaj is there in Vachi swapi yajadi na angiticha. That, see these three words, that is they have given that only. Vach will become uktihi. Vachi swapi yajadi. That is the sutra. Vach becomes ukti. Swap becomes sukti. Yaj becomes ishti. Vachi swapi yajadi nam. Iticha. Those three they have given here. Ukti, sukti, ishti. Pankti, bhukti, mukti. Mukti में धातु. What is धातु of mukti? Much. Satyam. So what happens here? Which sutra is working?
Cha to ka, chomokuhu is happening.
Correct. Simple. Mukti hi le, much to mukti hi, chohokuhu. Then giti hi. What is dhatu in giti hi? Sorry?
Ga is there.
Ga dhatu. Satyam. But ga is becoming gi. Should be gati hi, right? But it is not. It is giti hi. Ga to gi. What is the sutra? Gumastha ga pa. Jahati samhali. That is a sutra for ga to gi. Can you hear the background drilling? I hope it is not too loud. Astu.
It was there like a bad internet. Utna hai uska effect.
Okay.
Not like the drilling, but you know when there is disturbance in internet, jaisa hota hai khar khar, like that.
Okay, but it is clear, right? I mean, clear in the sense everything is getting transmitted. Then kirtihi purtihi. Kirtihi purtihi, these also are Sriyanktin. There are specific sutras for these, but they are not repeat sutras, so you don't have to mention, but just out of academic interest if you want to see. Kirtihi mein there is a sutra rita id dhatoho. Rita id dhatoho. That kirti, kir shabda will come. This is 61100. Sorry, 71100, I think. Rita id dhatoho. They will not. It is not a repeat. This one. Rita id dhatoho. 71100. Not repeat, but if you like to see. Then purtihi. Purtihi jaise how we say ishtapurti. Ishtapurti shabda recently came in Pradhanyaka also. Purtihi.
Kathopanishad it comes. Ishta and Purta karmas.
The beginning, right?
Yama says that if I won't give bara, then Ishta and Purta karmas punyas will go to Aditi. I mean.
Correct. Absolutely. Which mantra is that? Ishtapurta.
Mantra I am forgetting. But this is in the first.
Pratama Adhyaya, Pratama Valli, right?
Yes.
When Yamacharya has just come back from after the 3 days.
So he says that if the Atithi is not attended, those punyas will all go.
Correct. Which mantra is that?
So there is one with Ishtapurte. Is that the one we are looking for?
Yes. Which mantra is that?
Asha pratikshe.
Sangatam sundritam chet. Chapurte.
Anushcha sarvan.
Etat.
That is 8th mantra. 1-8.
118. 1.1.8.
Yeah.
Asha pratikshe sangata sundritam chestapurte putra pashumsha sarvan. That one. Satyam. Samyak. Purushashal vamedhaso.
Yasyan श्रवसति ब्राह्मणो गृहे.
यस्याम श्रवसति ब्राह्मणो गृहे. Satyam. Correct. So that Kathopanishad is there. And Purtihi recently we saw in Brihadaranyaka also, that Vapi Kupa Tadagadi Devatayatanani cha Annapradana Arama Purti Mitya Vidiyate, I think. But lake, river, well, everything goes into ocean like that. All these go to Purusha. That.
Recently we also saw Kriti Kartubihi or something. That word Kriti as Prayatna. So it came up in Ashkari city, was it? Recently.
There was one Kritaha is Vyartaha, that I remember. Kriti is Prayatna.
No, Kriti is Prayatna. I'll find the reference.
Sure. Then Kantihi, that in Tarkasangra we saw recently, Gaccha Sichet Kanta Kantihi. Kantihi, Krantihi, Bhrantihi, Shantihi, Shrantihi. So there are sutras for these. Brahma Shama, these two will be together. There is a sutra, Brahma Shama. Saw a couple of days ago only, right? Dhammashama, there is one sutra. Okay, I will see and tell. But there is, for Purtihi, there is a sutra, if you are interested. Udoshtya Purvasya, there is a sutra. Udoshtya Purvasya. Yeah, this one. Udoshtya Purvasya. This will give Purtihi. You see, example they have given. Purta. This comes from Udoshtya Purvasya. Okay, we go ahead. So they have said, you see, Niyama 135. Niyama 135, which page number? This is in Kva Pratyaya, Niyama 135. Same as we have seen, nothing new. In the first one, Pat Patitva Takara has come. That is the Tva Pratyaya Antarupa. And then Niyama, yaha par bhi, so Hritva, Labdva, Rudva, in that way. So the same way we can take for Ting Pratyaya also. Hritihi, today they have said, to Ritihi, etc. Ditva, Sitva, Mitva, Sitva, Gomastagapa, Jahati Samhali. Gatva, Ratva, Yatva, Natva, Matva, Hatva, Badva, Anudatopadesha, Vanatitamotyadinam, Anunasikalopa, Chaliniti. Uktva, Suktva, Ishtva, fifth one. Uktva, Suktva, Ishtva, Samprasaranam, Vachisvapiyajadinam niti, and for Grihi, etc., Grahijya vai Vyadivashti, Vichati Vrishchati, Prichati Bhujjati nam niti cha. This is the immediate next sutra of Vachisvapi. These two sutras are the main sutras for Samprasaranam. Paktva Bhuktva, Pach has become Paktva, Chohokuhu. Prishtva, Drishtva, Ishtva, Srishtva, in this way. And then today in the Sriyam 10 also, this will be Ishtihi for Ishtva, Drishtihi, Drishtva, Ishtihi, Ishtva, etc. And Gapa, Gumasta Gapa, Jahati Samhali. Sorry, this is that. This is Yadhyati Syati Mastam Itikiti. This Ditva, Sitva, Mitva, Stitva. Okay. So you see, they are all repeat sutras. The same sutra that we saw today, same have come in Kva, same came in Lyap, same came I think in at least two other, I've forgotten which, but they are all repeats. So this is for ktin pratyaya. For strilinga shabdani, ti will be shesha. This ti is coming from striyanktim. Second pratyaya, karmani ana. Sundar ji कृपया पठतु कर्मणि अन.
कर्मणि अन. कोई कर्मवाचक पद पहले हो तो धातु में अण या अप्रत्यय होता है. धातु को वृद्धि होती है. जैसे कुंभम करोति करोतीति, कुंभकारः, भाष्यकारः, सूत्रधारः, तंतुवायः.
भाष्यकारः, सूत्रधारः, सूत्रकारः, also all that is all coming from karmani an pratyaya. This is quite simple. There is no great explanation.
So भाष्यकारः, like the one who has written भाष्य करने वाला.
Correct.
Like that.
Exactly. कोई कर्मवाचक पद पहले होता. भाष्य is the कर्मवाचक पद. He has written भाष्य. भाष्यकारः has done the भाष्य. That.
Like that.
So how is the word getting formed? We are only talking of a getting added. How did it become Bhashyakaraha?
The vriddhi has also happened that
धातु को वृद्धि हो गया तो कृ धातु will become कार.
Kara.
will become kara. Kumbhakarah will become kara. That will no.
No. So kumbham karoti iti kumbhakarah. That vridhi is happening. Karoti mein vridhi is not there. The ka is becoming ka. Upadha vridhi is happening. So kara. Karoti. So same thing you can say. Bhashyam karoti iti bhashyakarah. Sutram dharayati iti sutradharah.
Dharayati.
Not dharoti. So you have to see which gana also. Dhatu gana is necessary when you see dhatu. But you can do the anvaya like this. Kumbham karoti iti kumbhakara. Bhashyam karoti iti bhashyakara. In fact, samasa, this is all already samasa. Because the next abhyasa is samasa prakanam. They are maybe easing us into it. Already in this shaka, harin, etc. also you can say samasa. And here bhashyakara also we can say samasa. So karmanya, vridhi is happening. Kru dhatu is there. Kumbha, so word, how is it forming? Bhashyakara, if you say. Bhashya is the shabda, karma vachaka pada. For this bhashya, you say kru dhatu is coming. Karmani, ana. Kru dhatu is there. And then in kru dhatu, vridhi is happening. So it becomes kara. So bhashya, kara. नंदीग्रही. डॉक्टर संजय जी कृपया पठतु नंदीग्रही.
नंदीग्रही पचादिभ्यो लुनि यचः वाला कर्ता अर्थ में धातु से निनी इन प्रत्यय होता है. धातु को गुण व वृद्धि होगी. It has become a little blurred for me. I will read from my my copy. That would be better. Just give me a second. This is sir. Yes. Okay. So करिन के तुल्य रूप चलेंगे. जैसे निवसति इति निवासी, प्रवासी, स्था से स्थायी, कृ से उपकारी, अपकारी, अधिकारी. इसी प्रकार द्वेषी, अभिलाषी, संचारी.
सम्यक. एक निमिष. This we have seen actually. Nandi grahi pachadibhyo lyunini achaha. So Nandi में ल्युट and grah में nini and Nandi grahi pachadibhyo lyunin yachaha ach pratyaya in pach. But even that we know already. Even otherwise, this nini pratyaya we have seen earlier in passing. Anybody remembers where? In this book we saw nini pratyaya.
Nini pratyaya,
Here we go. Abhyasa ekatrimshat. 31. Karin, Dandin, Vidyarthin. In all these places, Nini pratyaya only. These are all. The same Karin is given in this Abhyasa, right? They have given Karin here, I think. Sumanjay just read. Karin. Okay, Karin. Upakari. In this way it is there. Upakari, apakari. Kari. Upasarga purvak. They have added upasargas. So this Nini mein in will be Shesha. Karin ke, here you see. Karin ke tulya roop chalenge. That Karin is here. That same Karin was in Abhyasa 31. That is coming back in Abhyasa 45. Same. Nivasati iti nivasi. Pravasati iti pravasi. Tishtati iti sthayi. So sthayi, you cannot say sthati iti sthayi. Tishtati iti sthayi. Kr, karoti. उपसर्ग पूर्वक करोति इति उपकारी वृद्धि हो गया. धातु को गुण या वृद्धि होगी जहाँ एप्लीकेबल, wherever applicable it happens, गुण या वृद्धि. इसी प्रकार द्वेषी, अभिलाषी, संचारी. अस्तु. आभाजी कृपया पठतु द्वितीय. सुप्यजातौ निनिस्थाच्छील्यो अच्छील्ये. सुप्यजातौ निनिस्थाच्छील्ये. That is the full sutra. Acha, sorry. Karmani an number, if anybody wants. 3, 2, 1. This is Karmani an. Karmanyan. 3, 2, 1. And Nandigrahi, we know 3, 1, 134. Supyajatau Ninisthachile is 3, 2, 134, I think.
The Karmaniyan is 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1 is Karmaniyan. 3, 1, 134 is Nandigrahi. And then here you see Supyajatau Ninisthachile. This is the sutra they have given here. Supyajatau Ninisthachile. अस्तु. आभाजी कृपया अग्रे.
सुप्यजातौ. कोई शब्द पहले हो तो धातु से ऋणी इन प्रत्यय होता है स्वभाव अर्थ में. कुछ का बनता है उष्ण भोजी, गर्म खाने के स्वभाव वाला. आमिष भोजी. एक निमिष आभाजी, एक निमिष. So this Nini has two arthas. द्वे अर्थे स्तः. प्रथम अर्थः वाला अर्थ. द्वितीय अर्थ स्वभाव अर्थ. वाला कर्ता अर्थ में this is 1. स्वभाव अर्थ में this is 2. For these two there are 2 sutras. Nandigrahi pachadibhyo Nini achaha supyajato ninisthachilye. Both are Nini. Agre Abhaji. So examples for second is here. Bhuj. Ushna bhoji, garm khane ke swabhav wala. Amish bhoji. I think this is shakahari. Earlier also they have given, right? यहाँ पे भी दिए हैं निरामिष भोजी. पहले शब्द बोलो. निरामिष भोजी मांसाहारी. नहीं, वो ही है शाकाहारी. मिथ्यावादी मनोहारी. मिथ्यावादी मनोहारी, अग्रयायी, अनुगामी, मित्रद्रोही, शाकाहारी, मांसाहारी. तो मिथ्यावादी फॉर एग्जांपल मिथ्यावादन के स्वभाव वाला वैसे भी बोल सकते हैं. स्वभाव अर्थ में देयर स्वभाव अर्थ एंड इन द फर्स्ट वन कर्ता अर्थ. बोथ नीनी प्रत्यय इज यूजेबल इन बोथ.
He read somewhere that Mithyavadi Advaitins or something, because it is Jagat, that
they say,
that they say that they are Mithyavadis.
They also say Mayavadi.
Mayavadi, I remember that.
Some people say that, yeah. The ones that don't believe in it will say that, basically. And then Sundarji Bhavan eva kripya patato 3 Traya.
So
Yes.
आत्ममाने कश्च.
Yesterday we saw. हाँ, आत्ममाने कश्च.
अपने आप को समझने अर्थ में नी, इन और कश दोनों प्रत्यय होते हैं. शब्द के बाद भी लगता है. जैसे पंडितम मानी, पंडितम मन्यः.
आत्ममाने कश्च, both nini and kash. आत्ममाने कश्च number 3283. 3.2.83 आत्ममाने कश्च. Both pratyas are there. Nini pratyay, kash pratyay. So panditam mani. In this way, the two shabdas will become one. Panditam mani. वो खुद सोच रहे मैं पंडित हूँ ऐसे. Even if other people don't think, you will think I am pandit. Panditam mani.
Did we do kash pratyaya? Did we do?
No, this is the first occurrence.
First occurrence of kash.
Panditam mani, panditam manyaha. Does this ring a bell? Does this word ring a bell?
Swayam dhira panditam.
Both in Kathopanishad and in Mundakopanishad. Right?
Avidya.
Avidyaya mantare vartamanaha swayandiraha panditam manyamanaha. And then second line dandramyamanaha in Katha, and in Mandaka it is janganyamana. Pariyanti mudaha andenaiva niyamana yathandaha. So there that panditam manyamanaha, that shabda is coming. That is from this atmamane kashcha. Of course this has come also in Brihadaranyaka. Panditam manyaha, that shabda has come in Brihadaranyaka. So there are other places also that it is upalabdha. Any questions before we end?
So pandita is the shabda. And then with that pandita, so with that in pratyaya, so I mean, how is the word forming? What is the in pratyaya going to do, and where is the a pratyaya coming in?
In will give in. So here both are working. Shabd ke baad im bhi lagta hai, that is for the panditam. So in will come for this mani. In, like how upakari, apakari, adhikari.
Yeah, correct. Upakari, correct. Like that mani.
And manyaha.
Manyaha, that the is coming.
But here actually kash you can also say for panditam in that way, and then mani,
Yeah.
panditam manyaha, in that way this will come. And in the mantra Upanishad mantras there is also which pratyaya? So if you say panditam manyamanaha, right? So that will be
In panditam manyamana.
nini, kash and one more. Because nini and kash will make panditam manyaha. But the mantra says panditam manyamanaha. Sorry, manaha?
Mana got added, right? So you asked for the pratyaya, which one added mana?
Yes.
Shatru or Shanach, something become man.
Shanach. Shana mana.
Yeah, Shanman. Okay.
Shanach manaha. Shanach is there. So
You know,
three
it's
pratyas.
all there in the it's all there in the subconscious.
Yes. The abhyasa is building, right? The instinct is
Yeah.
building. Intuition is.
It is there in the subconscious, yes. It has to come into conscious. Okay.
Any other questions?
We did AJ and her kash, right? 3 to 28.
Sorry, what?
Was that the pratyaya? Is it AJ her kash? The
No.
pratyaya?
Kash, this only. This is the sutra. Atmamane kashcha. 3 to
There is
78.
AJ her kash as well. 3 to 28.
So,
AJ kash.
Abaji, when are you next coming to Rishikesh?
We will
You
finish.
have to have a you have to
Yes.
have a Sanskrit offsite.
Yes, we'll close and then speak about that. Huh?
But that it will take a long time.
1 second.
Sorry.
Let's close because otherwise
Yeah, sorry.
everyone
Yeah,
can.
funny. Sorry.
So you see, for example, in Atmamane Khasya, the example is Darshaniya Mani, Panditam Mani. He thinks he is in that way. Upapada is there. So this is for Atmamane Khasya. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Bhadarayam Sutra Bhashya Kratau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavadvyaptadeyaya Dakshinamurtaye Namah. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om